Oh no!
What
The
happened?
wooden bridge has many holes.
What are you doing?
Garbage
Bye,
truck.
guys.
Garbage truck, be careful!
Oh no!
Oops, the bridge collapses.
Oh my God.
Garbage truck falls into the river. Help! Help!
What's next?
Crane truck. Dump truck. Excavator. Asphalt truck. Roller truck.
Construction rescue team, let's go!
Hey!
Crane truck arrives fast and lifts garbage truck out of the water.
Amazing!
Thank you very much.
Who is next?
Dump truck puts down water boards to stop the river.
Bravo! Good job!
Excavator digs in the riverbed.
It's so nice!
Dump truck brings steel bars.
I got it!
Yeah.
Mixer truck pours cement to make it strong.
Cool! It's amazing!
Crane truck lifts new bridge supports and sets them in place.
I like it! It's my time!
Mixer truck taps the cement
I
with a
got
little
it.
hammer to make it tight.
Look at this!
Crane truck lifts the bridge deck and places it on top.
It's a disappear! Yeah!
Now it's time for Asphalt Paver truck, laying the black asphalt road.
Very nice! What's next?
Roller truck rolls over it to make it smooth.
I like it!
Finally, remove the water boards. The strong new bridge is ready.
Transformation!
The trucks drive across one by one, happy and safe.
Bye-bye!
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye, see you next time.